Hey guys, gonna do a pocket dump video because I just got home, so I never showed you guys how I carry my stuff, so I'm gonna show you. So first off, of course, I got my snowboarding jacket on, my O's hat. Start off with that. That's that. Then we got this pocket right here. Cigarettes, Marlboro Lights, picked them up in brandy pack. My Zippo, same pocket. Got this pocket down here. Droid, Razor, Glock, Team Glock, picture. The other pocket, we have, let's see, bottle of Germex. That's the other pocket. Okay, so that's it for the coat. I'll take this off right quick. Okay, put this down there. So, wrist, we just got the watch on the wrist, the stinger on the necklace. Then the pockets were actually side of my belt. Got my keys clipped on. Take them off real quick. Then on the belt, let me undo the belt real quick, guys. Hold on. Undo this real quick. Don't worry, I'm not getting naked. I'm just taking my belt. God, this thing's hard to get off. Hold on, let me take this off real quick. Okay, well, on the belt, we got the Maglite flashlight. There's the belt. Same belt. Back pocket. Wallet. Front right pocket. Gerber knife. Front left pocket. Leatherman. And that's what I carried today. Well, it's my meeting, so, alright guys, just want to put that quick video out there, so, alright, see you guys.